Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin' with the Boons, and we're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet for the 10th annual Taste of the MarshWalk. Let's go check it out. So this year, the Taste of the MarshWalk decided to add in a bunch of vendors. So they have like 60 or more vendors out here this year. And they are spread out throughout, all the way from bovines to the wicked tuna.
And if you're unfamiliar with this location, we are in Murrells Inlet. This is called the MarshWalk, and it actually goes all the way down back to Bovines like she was just talking about.
Each one of the restaurants have their special entrees that they're going to do, and the Claw House right here in front of us has their avocado, crab, boat half avocado stuff with a crab of corn and all that. They have shrimp and fried grits, shrimp and crab ragout egg rolls served up to perfection. That sounds delicious.
Heck yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an idea or go through their little menus that they have. I don't know if we'll get a chance to taste everything, but we're going to try our best. And they also have their own Bloody Mary bars set up in Murrells Inlet for the MarshWalk. So this year they're trying to incorporate the kids in this. So they have the little wagons that's going to pull them around, and they also have a bouncy house.
I think they have a few bouncy houses.
I believe they do throughout.
So we're right here at the Wicked Tuna, which is a wonderful place to eat.
Each restaurant will have their little tastings outside, and they're $5 to $8. I also see that they have some other vendors out here, like your kettle corn, and so now we're just in search of the tents that has them. Like I was saying earlier, they're all set up outside. You just have to look for the long line. There they are. Hey! There's our flamingo crew hollering at us. So we're gonna try out the fat dumplings. Let's go check them out. So what do we have here? Is this?
Here's our fat crab roll.
Okay.
Fried shrimp with blue crab mix and a spicy crab on top.
Okay.
The fried pork dumplings with pork gyozas.
Okay.
We have shrimp and grits, and our Bloody Mary on the end also has a shrimp and grit stick as the topper.
Okay, do the dumpling. Let's see.
Now, what is this called?
That is a fried pork dumpling, and it's called
Goiza.
Thank you,
Goiza.
Goiza. What you think, Big Box? Tastes good? Let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh yeah, that looks delicious.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's our fried
Yeah.
grit bowl with angry sausage.
All right, so
and
that'll be $12. Look at that. Alrighty. So our friends got the shrimp and grits and said it was absolutely delicious. You know, we're not big fish people, and they got it before we could get there. So we're on the search for the next one, and I think we're going to hit the Claw House.
Now, what'd you think about the goiza? What is it called?
The pork dumpling is basically, I thought it was good. Yeah, it was
I thought it
delicious.
was pretty good too.
And this Bloody Mary is absolutely out of this
Let's
world.
see here.
It is very, very good.
Mm-mm.
All right, well, we're going to get on the sidewalk and head on over to the Claw House. They have their avocado crab dip, they have their shrimp and fried grits, and they have their shrimp and crab egg rolls. And I think Levi's is going to go for the shrimp and crab egg rolls.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what he's eating right there.
Avocado, right?
Oh, that's the avocado dip. Well, would you rather have that? Here's the prices.
Yeah, we'll get that.
Hey, y'all having fun? Y'all been cooking all morning long, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good.
So this is the avocado, right?
That's right.
All right.
I know how you love avocado, and it looks like you got some corn in it.
Mm-hmm.
And what's that, crab meat?
Crab and some pickled onions
Okay, but you won't be eating those.
I think I like pickled onions. I'm not
Okay.
sure. We'll see if I like them or not.
All right.
And I don't know if you got the prices, but this was $7, and it's from the Claw House. It's got some kick to it too.
Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's zoom in on it because
A
people
little bit
say
of
that we
tomato.
don't actually show it long enough. Okay.
Now they're going to put oyster.
Wow.
Did you say bacon?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Candy bacon.
Do you want the oysters on top?
I put some hot sauce, and I'm going to make sure I can get it.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Get it, get it, get it. All righty. So, Murrells Inlet way with hot sauce, and he didn't get the crackers, but is it good? He doesn't like hot stuff.
It's pretty good. Pretty good.
All righty.
All right,
There you
now
go. So you can take the bacon, and I'll take the Bloody Mary. Sounds like a plan?
sounds like a plan.
All right. Let's see. So it's candy bacon
Candy.
with some olives and a lemon.
Oh, here's your jalapenos right here.
Oh yeah.
Want
You can
one?
put well, I was gonna say you can put those in my drink.
Bunny B says she's going to taste the
Bloody
Bloody
Marys.
Mary.
Since
And
Brian has to do all the tasting of the food, I'm going to taste the Bloody Marys. And I may do a little bit of the food, especially whenever we go there to Dead Dog for the Hush Puppies. But right now, this is the Claw House's Bloody Mary, and you saw all the stuff that he had on it. So he asked for extra spicy. Okay, so this one is more of a hot sauce, spicier taste than the one at the Wicked Tuna. But it is delicious. Here you go. You got the pulled pork egg roll for $5, brisket burn-in $7, and smoked chicken tacos for $6. And it does look delicious. Let's see. I'm gonna get right here. Look at there.
I'll take the egg rolls.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Yes, sir. I'm going to try these pulled pork egg rolls. Is that what they're called? Pulled pork?
Pork, yeah, barbecue pulled pork egg rolls.
Okay.
And so, you know, I had to put hot sauce on mine. So here we go.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try mine. What is that? Oh, they got some ranch on here.
I did that.
Oh, okay.
Can anybody tell me what Dennis called an X-ray?
And show us the inside.
Anybody?
Oh, yeah.
What did Dennis call
That
an
looks
X-ray?
good. We're right here at Creek Ratz, and for their Taste of the MarshWalk, they got Gator bites, mahi tacos, and beverages. And they do have chili as well. And look at those delicious Gator bites, fresh and hot, just came out. And there is their delicious chili, which I have had that before, and it is delicious. It smells good too. Now, Creek Ratz is a very good place for all of the MarshWalk and all the activities and the events that they have, even the Santa Claus. They normally have a band and everything, which may be coming later. Gator bites and Murrells Inlet.
I was going to get the chili, but we decided to get the Gator bites instead. We're going to see how they taste. And I put some sauce on them from a little table over there. Not sure what the sauce is.
Yeah, it's like cilantro.
And yes, it tastes like chicken.
Oh, forgot.
All right, so what do you think the Gator bites taste like?
I think they're more like fish instead of chicken to me. And if you can see, they got like a fish texture. Can you see that?
It does a little.
Yeah, but they're delicious. I've never had them before, and they are good. And so the next stop is J. Peters. They're on the list this year, and I don't think we're going to get anything to eat, but we'll sure check it out. Let me just slide on over here to the side to see what they're serving up nice and hot. So it looks like we got some chicken fingers. Looks delicious. There is a good transportation right there. Someone came in on the sailboat. Awesome. They're out there on Goat Island, which the goats hadn't came back yet, but someone has put up a skeleton flag. And the boat, as you can tell over there, is still on the island. So looks like we got some delicious hush puppies. So here's what Drunken Jack's doing. They've got the hush puppies and the triggerfish risotto and she crab soup. Yummy. Bovine. So Bloody Mary $7, ribs 6, mac and cheese bites 6, and then seafood gumbo 6. Yum,
See
yum.
what we got.
Alrighty, so the next stop is Bovines, and they have ribs, mac and cheese crab bites, seafood gumbo, and corn muffins. Check it out. Look at that shrimp gumbo. That looks good.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day.
That looks delicious.
Okay, I don't know if you heard this, but it's tater tot, spicy bacon, and a green olive.
Yummy. Well, there you have it. That was a look at the 10th annual Murrells Inlet Taste of the MarshWalk. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. Make sure you hit that like button to share the love and hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep beaching. See you in the next video. Am I big or small or what?
You're big and small at the same time.
All right, so you're gonna try that oyster?
How do you do this? Oh, where's your fork?
They had them up there. You're just gonna have to, here, use the straw. So we're here at the Claw House and they have their avocado crab dip. They have their shining and fried grits. Oh, so, hold on, shrimp and fried grits.
Shiny.
Okay, so anytime, it's just like the chili cook-offs that we go to. Anytime people are missing and you don't want to know where the chili is or where the good food is, right, Beatbox?
You got to smell for it.
Well, you just follow the lines. And let's go, follow the lines. I don't know about this.
Where's the line?